Howdy everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button and nobody's gonna bug you. You just get notified about the new videos. So today wanted to make a video on cutting up a cottonwood. This is a cottonwood tree, or a piece of a cottonwood log from southwest Oklahoma that I brought back last year with some other stuff, and it'd been sitting on a pile out there where they had to take the tree down beside the cabin. Some limbs had broken, wanted to get the tree out, and this piece had been sitting on top of the pile, and I kept thinking I wanted to bring it back and mill it up just to see what it looks like. I have no idea what it's going to look like or even what you can do with it. I haven't seen anybody do anything with it on YouTube, so I don't know. If you know what to do with cottonwood, leave a comment, leave a word or two, and just tell me what you can use it for. It's right under 4 feet long. This end is 17 inches, that end is 16 inches, and it's checked up pretty good. I guess it's a soft wood, a very soft wood, and we didn't seal it up or anything, but like I say, it had been cut for a while, so I'm just going to cut it up and see what it looks like, and show you guys and gals what it looks like. Probably just do some little 2-inch slabs out of it, and if I'm going to do anything, here comes my mother-in-law. She's driving by. Not even looking at me. She has no idea I'm sitting here doing a video. She just drove right by. Anyway, just gonna cut it up in about 2-inch slabs, and heck, maybe use them, I don't know, for end tables or something if it comes out all right. I guess you'd have to stabilize it pretty good, but happy to be back on the sawmill today. It's been a couple weeks. Took a drive out to Texas to see this. Guy we hunt with out there, a young man, he's always had the dream of being a Texas State game warden, and he finished the Game Warden Academy, invited us out for the graduation, so we drove out for that. And we were excited to see it happen. He was excited. He's going to do a great job, and we congratulate him on that. So, also put in a water line recently for the goat pen and the chickens. That took up 3 or 4 days. Took a little vacation to the Great Smoky Mountains, but happy to be back on the mill. And I appreciate you guys being here again. Hit the thumbs up. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down. If you think I'm an idiot, hit the thumbs down. But again, thanks for watching. And got to get the grapple on the tractor so I can move this down to the mill. So let's get started. Thank you. This stuff is really, really dry. Like I said, this log's been sitting for a few years. It's really, really dry. It kind of resembles pine. Well, that right there is really soft. That middle is really, really soft, but probably can't use this for anything. But this right here, I wanted to show you the knots and a little bit of curl in there. That looks pretty good. I don't know if you could just salvage any of that or not. Maybe a charcuterie board, but that curl right there looks pretty good. I'm gonna put a little water on it. I hope you can see that, but that curl around that knot looks really good. So, but the rest of it's it's all real soft in here, which I knew is an extremely soft wood. But anyway, I cut up a few more slabs of it, and I may try to get that out of it and do something with it. Stand by. Lesson learned. Southwest Oklahoma cottonwood, nah. Best piece is that little knot I showed you with the curl on it. Maybe I'll try and cut a little piece of that out and do something with it, but I think overall, this one may have sat on the ground too long and dried too long, but it's just really, really soft. And I'm not quite sure you can use it for anything. Firewood, it'll burn up real quick. But hey, appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, leave a thumbs down, tell me why. Always trying to change, get better. If you can think of something that cottonwood is used for, let me know in a comment. Maybe cutting it earlier helps, I don't know. But thanks again for watching. Y'all have a great day.